Story this morning where trouble seems to be mounting for the TVK chief and Kollywood superstar Vijay, where a fatwa has now been issued against the actor turned politician by Maulana Shahabuddin Barelvi, the national president of the All India Muslim Jamaat and the chief mufti of Darul Ifta. Now the fatwa that has been issued by the Maulana that brands the TVK chief as anti-Muslim, accusing him of actions that are allegedly disrespectful and which misrepresent the community. The Maulana here claims that Vijay hosted an iftar party where individuals described as gamblers, drunkards and other anti-social elements were attending the iftar event, a move that the Maulana sees as deeply inappropriate. Now he further alleges that Vijay is attempting to exploit Muslim sentiments for political gains, pointing to scenes in the actor's film called Beast, where Vijay portrays as a Muslim character. The film, according to the Maulana, dangerously associates Islam with terrorism. And the most damning accusation is that of all of this in the view amounting to a calculated appeasement strategy which is aimed at courting Muslim votes is the allegation that is now being leveled by the Maulana in this fatwa that has been issued. Dharani is with us right now. Dharani, because as we take a look, as we've been speaking on the states where elections are due, and so is the state of Tamil Nadu. Now we have seen the stand that has been taken by TVK chief Vijay. Of course, he is anti-DMK, but when it comes to the Waqf amendment, before even it was tabled in the parliament, he has voiced his support against it. And right now, when it comes to this fatwa that has been issued, what is that it entails calling TVK chief Vijay as anti-Muslim?
Well, Vijay organized a statewide protest. Vijay's party, Tamilnaga Vetri Kalagam, organized a statewide protest in Tamil Nadu against the Waqf Amendment Bill. And in fact, now TVK has also approached the Supreme Court against this particular act. And, Vijay participated in several iftar events during the time of Ramadan. And now we are looking at a fatwa from the National President of All India Muslim Jamaat. And this fatwa states that, in several of Vijay's movies, Muslims had been portrayed as terrorists and extremists. And now Vijay is trying to exploit the sentiment of the Muslim community to establish himself in politics. Do not trust Vijay, do not believe Vijay, he is anti-Muslim. In fact, in a recent iftar event, the fatwa alleges that, alcoholics, gamblers and anti-social elements were invited by Vijay's party to be part of this iftar event. This is the allegation that is being leveled in this fatwa. So very serious words coming in from the National President of All India Muslim Jamaat. He says that Vijay is anti-Muslim. In many of Vijay's movies, including the movie Beast, Muslims, they had been portrayed as terrorists and extremists. So after his career, in the film industry, now Vijay has entered politics. He launched his party 1 year back, and now since he wants to establish himself in politics, he's trying to appease the Muslim community. So he's trying to exploit the emotions of the Muslim community is what this fatwa states.
So please try and get a reaction from the TVK chief itself, what he has to say on this fatwa that has now been issued by this Maulana. Thank you very much for the moment for joining in.